Most people think mini twists are automatically a protective style, but if your hair isn't getting moisture, it's not being protected at all. So today I'm walking you through exactly how I bring moisture back into my twists, the simple routine, the product combo that keeps my hair juicy for days, and the step that completely changed the game for my high porosity 4C hair. I installed this twist a few weeks ago and they were definitely ready for a refresh. So let's get into it. I am starting on hair that was moisturized last 4 days ago. Not overly dry, as you can still see my curls, and it's frizzy as well. The first step is water, but not cold water, not room temperature water, warm water. I spray it all over my twist and then gently squeeze it in. If you have high porosity hair like me, this part is important. I will link the tutorial for installing the mini twists and the video on how I refresh them at 3 weeks if you're interested. Squeezing the water in just helps and ensures that water actually enters the strand instead of sliding right out. Next, I go in with my pattern leave-in conditioner. I emulsify it in my hands and apply it thoroughly through my twists. And how much you use depends on your hair density while moisturizing, not overloading. A little goes a long way, especially when your hair is already in a stretched style like mini twists. Spraying warm water at the beginning helps the product penetrate my strands, and I took my time to walk the products into my hair so that the product is not just sitting on my hair but penetrates. Now here's the step that changed everything for me. High porosity hair has gaps in the cuticles, which means moisture easily escapes quickly. So I started using a second leave-in, and that second leave-in is flaxseed gel. This is actually leftover gel from pre-pooing my son's hair, and it works beautifully. Now I apply it in sections, focusing on the length of my twist. I don't put the gel on my scalp, I just put it on my hair. Now the consistency of the gel matters. It shouldn't be too thick and it's not too runny. And listen, this step brings back my curls to life instantly. My twists get shine, bounce, softness, and I haven't even added any oil yet. The flaxseed gel I used was cool because it had been in the refrigerator for some days, and I believe it will have the same effect as cool water, closing my cuticles to keep all that moisture locked in. Once the moisture is in, I seal everything with the Carol's Daughter oil. I apply it only to the length of my hair, as they're the oldest part of my hair and they need so much love. This step locks in all the hydration we just added and prevents the flaxseed gel from flaking. The next step is to take care of my scalp, and for my scalp I use the Pattern Hair Serum. It has rosemary and mint, which help with circulation and soothe any itchiness. Notice I'm not using oil on my scalp. I don't want clogged pores, especially when my hair is in a long-term style. If this is your first time here, welcome. We're on our way to 100 subscribers, guys, and I'm super duper excited. Thank you for everyone who is subscribed, and if you're new here, please share, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you. Now let's get back to it. Lastly, I apply the pattern mousse and let my hair air dry. This gives the twist a soft hold and keeps every set in place. The whole routine is basically the LOC method, and it works beautifully for my high porosity 4C hair. Once my hair dries, my twists feel revived, juicy, and moisturized for days. Keeping in mind that I still go to bed with a satin bonnet and use a satin scarf throughout the day when I'm not going out. And there you have it. That's how I bring my mini twist back to life and keep them moisturized for days, especially with this high porosity for C hair. Remember, moisture is what makes a protective style protective. So if your twists have been feeling dry or dull, try this routine and let me know how it works for you. Once I follow this routine, I do not have to add moisture back into my hair for the next 4 to 5 days. If you learned something today, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a moisture refresh. And if you want to keep learning, I have another video where I break down the habits I stopped doing that helped my 4C hair finally grow. I'll link it here on the screen. Go watch that next. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.